In the previous tutorial, we created a simple fidget base. In this tutorial, we'll create the fidget gear. Open your design in Tinkercad and drag a red snap to the work plane. Don't use the purple snap. Make sure you use the red one. Click in the search box and type gear. We're looking for an orange gear. Drag the orange gear onto the work plane. Change the inner radius to 8, the outer radius to 12, the number of teeth to 8, and change the height of the teeth to 5. Now click on the work plane to deselect the shape. Click and drag a selection box to select the snap and the gear only, not the fidget base. Then click the Align tool. We're going to align these two shapes in the X, Y, and Z directions. So first, click the middle dot as shown to align the shapes from side to side. Then click the middle dot as shown to align the shapes from front to back. And finally, click the middle dot as shown to align the shapes up and down. Tap the F key on your keyboard to zoom in. Then click Front on the view cube and click on the bottom icon on the left to switch to Flat View. Now click away from the shapes to deselect them. Here you want to examine the shapes closely to ensure that they are centered with relation to one another. Once that's set, click on the snap to select it again, and click on the snap or snap socket drop-down menu to choose snap hole free spinning. Click hole to turn the shape into a cutout, and click away from the snap to deselect it. Click and drag once more to select both the snap and the gear, and now click group. The two shapes will be combined, resulting in a gear with a hole cut out of it. Tap the D key on your keyboard to drop the shape to the work plane, and tap Home to change the view. Click on the work plane to deselect the shape. Here you can clearly see the gear with the hole cut out of the middle. That's it. The gear is now complete. In the next slideshow, we'll export, slice, and print our simple fidget.